So before we apply our slider, we must first make sure that both raceways on each side of the rail are clean of all debris, dust, metal flakes, anything that could potentially harm the slider. We have 3 different types of preload. We have the standard preload, we have a K1 preload, and we have a K2 preload. And today I will be demonstrating for you the standard preload. On the CSW slider, which has external wipers that go on the end, and then also the NTE, which has grease fittings where you can grease it. First thing you want to do is put your hex wrench into the slider body, and you want to pre-tighten the hex screw on top, just to make sure that your roller is not far away from your slider, because if you try and put the tension from the slider to the rail with the screw loose, it will not tighten down. It will just keep moving on you, so you have to be sure that you pre-tighten your loose screw, and then just half a turn to the left will loosen it for you, and then now you can start applying pressure. Now you can either go all the way left or all the way right until you finally feel the slider tighten up to the rail. Right now it has no tension. I'm gonna bring it all the way to one side until I feel it grab the rail. Then I'll tighten down my hex screw. So for the next demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate for you the NT slider. In this one, you can't exactly see the roller bearings from the top inside the rails. So you have to flip it over and look through these holes right here and take a look to where you can see it actually move. Now when you have to put your hex wrench, and you have to pre-tension your slider. Turn it about a half a turn loose, and then you can just keep tensioning your slider to one side until you feel as if the slider has tightened up a little bit. And then you've reached your standard tension, and then what you have to do is you have to come up here and look through each one of these holes. You can look through one at a time, and you just slide your roller, your whole slider body, and see if your roller moves. Now if all your rollers move, then you know you have tension